guys, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please make sure that you like it. So yesterday I got a call from a liquidator again, and that's like twice in 7 days or 10 days. And me and my boyfriend, we flew out the country. Well, we flew out of London, sorry, to go pick up some products, and I'm going to show you basically exactly what I've got. Hey guys, take a look at what I did and what I got. So we've got some of the stuff in the car. We've got 3 pallets full. So we started emptying some of them. We've got 1 here, 1 there. Basically, we're in a sticky situation. So we fit 1 pallet in the car, and we still have 1 and 2. So we've called for like the local people, a local like man and van in this area, to come and like fit the other 2 pallets, because there is no way in hell that 3 pallets is gonna fit in my car. So we've called for someone to come. Fingers crossed, like they were saying, yeah, we're gonna drive you to London with this, because mate. If not, we've got 2 pallets of stock stuck way out of London, and we gotta go back to London tonight. So do we leave the stock, or do we find someone desperately to come and collect it? So fingers crossed, like they're willing to take it. He's gonna drive here now, have a look, and hopefully we get this all sorted. This is the life of an entrepreneur. This is the life of becoming financially free. It doesn't always work out the thing where you want it to, and most definitely you always have hiccups. On top of all of that, at 8:30, I'm meant to be having a call with a potential buyer for land that I sourced in Kent. So it's 5:30, almost 6 now. And I either need to be in London, or I need to be parked in a car park at 8:30 to have a really long conversation with someone about purchasing land that I've sourced direct to the vendor. The vendor messaged me yesterday as well, like, what's going on, like, where's the buyers, any offers? So we found someone to save the day. I'm just so excited. We've already been here for like an hour since that last vlog that I did the first time around, but yeah, this is just so much better. We've got someone now to pack the stuff, and I can probably gonna have to do my call in the middle of the van, in the middle of my car, and they're gonna hit the motorway, but as long as the stuff has been packed and I can go home. As you can see, I look super tired. I've just parked up in a service station in a car park. It's about 8:32, 8:33 now. So I'm just gonna call the buyer, see what goes on with that.
Hey Shola, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, no, not too bad, thank you.
That's great.
Unfortunately, I haven't had time to look through the email you sent me yesterday.
Okay.
I'm just looking at it. I was just trying to look at it now. But is it okay if we reschedule for either later tonight?
So amazing. Okay, cool. So I can literally just start my journey back, and I can go, so he can have time to look through my brochure, and I can have time to cool off. I've just arrived back home, so as you can see, I'm just like completely knackered. So the road of entrepreneurship is not for everyone, and I know a lot of people following me think that Amazon and eBay is so easy, but I've probably done like 13 hours, maybe 14 hours worth of driving. So I'll get that in a second. So yeah, it is like super hard, and yeah, it's like 11 o'clock now, and I'm like super tired. So yeah, I don't want to make it seem like it's too easy. There's a lot of driving, there's a lot of negotiating. It's fun, but it's also really difficult. If you guys like my realness as well, I don't hide anything from you guys. Like, I want to be as real as I can and show you the real road to entrepreneurship, the real road to $1 million. Like, it's not easy. So yeah, I'm not going to call the guy the potential buyer. I'm going to call him tomorrow because I'm knackered. It's fun, but it's also a lot of hard work. So yeah, I hope I motivate you guys. So today it's like a brand new day now, so I look a bit more refreshed, don't look as tired as I did last night. So I want to now show you basically what I got. I can't do like a video that I normally do when I put it all down on the floor because it's like pallets, do you know what I mean? So I can't, I've packed the stock away, and then we can go through a breakdown of basically what I spent and how much money it's going to bring. Okay, so this is the product that we got. It's a velvet shawl diamond electronic foot file, and we bought these for like £7, and they go for between £26 and £40. We got 1,100 of them, and we're gonna split it, so that's gonna be 550 each. Obviously the ranking is amazing. So with a product like this, I would generally maybe start off at doing the lower end of the profit, so £25. And I would put it at £25 just so that I can make my money back, so that if my liquidator does call me again, I have the same amount of cash to be able to purchase again. And once I've done that and I've made my money back, I then would up the price to the £40 or £45 mark, because then I'll have time to wait for it to sell if it takes a little bit longer. What I'll do is first salvage it, not salvage it because it's still making profit, but not as much, so make minimum profit, then to maximize the amount of profit later on. 200 of them at £26. Once I've made my money back, because it will sell almost flying through the roof. Once I've made my money back, then I'll do 350 of them at the higher price of £40. So the strategy that I'm going to use by lowering it down initially for my first 200 and then increasing the price up, this will make a total of £19,000, 200. That is like super good. And then that is going to be what I'm going to use for this strategy. If I find that even at £40, if the sellers below me sell out much quicker, I'll be increasing it up to £40. So at the moment the lowest is 26. I want to be waiting for them to sell out, but if they sell out even quicker, I'm going to up my price even quicker, which means I can make even more money. So yeah, that's the strategy that I'm going to use, and it's really handy to use when you're selling products as well. Keep an eye on your sellers, keep an eye on your competitors, but make sure that you're still making sales. So obviously I can put it at 40 and I can have like very slow sales, one here, one there, or I can literally put it at the price that's the lowest for now, make my money back, and then increase it and still make £19,000 from 3,000. That is absolutely insane. And this is the product. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the liquidator. He's going to call again in about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to get some more banging products, and I'm just going to show you exactly what I buy and what I do again. Okay guys, so I hope this video really helped you. Please make sure that you like and you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.